Hanap po ba isang very compact na motor mula sa isang reliable na brand, unique yung itsura, madaling dalhin at maraming options for storage? Well, pwede nyo subukan tong very head-turner na scooter na to from Kymco. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Kymco $150.
Hey, what's up guys? What we have in front of us is the Kymco $150, and this will be our first time na road test etong very cute na scooter 150cc by Kymco Motorcycle. Well, isa lang sa napansin ko agad, no? Ito ang kasa niya dito. Pwede mo pala siyang gawing sandalan, di ba? Very nice. Meron na rin tayo dito ng bracket for top box. Ayos, kung gusto niyo maglagay ng top box for your storage. Ganyan siya. Kung gusto niyo siyang gawing angkasan, clipin nyo lang siya. Yan lang. So, evidently, napakababa lang ng kanyang seat height. So, ito, very flat-footed tayo dito, and nakabaluktot pa yung tuhod natin, diba? We are 5'4", so kahit mga 5 flat or mas mababa pa sa 5 flat, kayang-kaya nyo to. And ito naman yung situation natin sa kanyang cockpit. We got some basic switches like the electric starter, kill switch. Yeah, we got a hazard light over here. Nice. Here's our turn signals, the horn, ayos, and high-low beam, and we got a flasher. And sa brakes natin, meron pala tayo dito ng handbrake, very easy to maneuver. And meron pa pala siya ditong port, no, I guess a charging port. Mechanical key pa tayo sa kanya ignition. And if you wanted to open the gas tank, I guess paganto, for the far right side, yan. So mas madali na siya magpagas. And then if you wanted to open it, isang pihit lang sa left, and there you go. We got a digital gauge right here.
Looks wise ay no doubt, kahit may kaliitan yung size niya, imposible hindi ka magiging kapansin-pansin dito sa scooter na to. Just look at it. Very commendable ang kanyang headlight design na tila ba para siya nakasuot ng goggles. They call it dual LED headlamp na meron daytime running light, hazard light, at hanggang sa tail section niya ay very aesthetic talaga. Good job! Kymco $150 is equipped with an air-cooled 150cc single-cylinder engine, 4-stroke 2-valve single overhead cam, EFI, automatic transmission. May lakas itong 11.3 HP at 7,000 RPM at may maximum torque naman na 12.8 Nm at 5,500 RPM. Not too bad.
Alrighty, so testingin na natin itong si $150. Let's go. At yun, napakababa niya. So para sa mga kagulong natin na sanay mag-drive ng mga malalaking motor, medyo maninibago talaga kayo dito. So yun, sa riding position natin, medyo nakahuko tayo ng konti dahil maliit siya para sa atin. Medyo naka-superman tayo ng bahagya. Pero okay lang. Sa maneuverability naman niya, sa mga pangsingit-singit, I guess no problem. Madali lang naman kayo mapapamiliarize dito dahil yun, maliit siya, magaan. And yun, sa arangkada, pretty decent power delivery naman ang ibinibigay ni Kymco $. So yun, this is not a performance scooter, no? So usually this was designed for a daily ride. For a long ride, maybe, no, it's just up to you kung kaya nyo makatagal isang malayo ang biyahe. I guess nakadepende na lang din yon sa capability din ng rider, no? And yun, sa mga kagulong natin na hindi masyadong binayaan ng height, this will be your chance na makapag-drive ng isang proper scooter. Syempre, Kymco, when it comes to scooter, you pretty much know what you're doing. One of the best when it comes to automatic.
Kymco $150 does have a pretty decent power output and very easy to maneuver. Especially kung shorter rider ka, ay paniguradong mas may enjoy mo tong scooter na to. Maganda rin yung play ng suspension niya, naka-telescopic forks sa front, naka-disc brake sa harap with 2-piston caliper, at naka 90/90 by 12 inches na gulong. Sa likod naman ay naka-twin shocks na ito, naka-drum brake, may mas maliit na gulong sa likod na which is 100/90 by 10 inches. Seat height niya is 745 mm lang, may bigat lamang na 125 kilograms. 8 liters tank capacity with an average fuel consumption at up to 45 kilometers per liter. Okay din.
Alright, so ito yung itsura natin habang nakasakay kay Kymco $150. And siya, pwede pa natin i-stretch yung paa natin na ganito, di ba? Pag medyo nakakaramdam kayo ng pagkangawit. Sa rear view mirrors niya, okay lang din. Very classic. And nakikita naman natin na maayos yung nasa likod natin. Yun, sa comfortability ng kanyang upuan naman, actually malambot ang kanyang upuan, no? I guess parehas lang siya ng texture para sa rider and for the pillion seat. And kung may mga luggages ka naman, meron kang pwedeng paglagyan dito. And meron pa tayo ditong utility hook. Yan, para secure na secure talaga yung mga dalahin natin.
Si Kymco $150 ay isang scooter na hindi para sa lahat. Pero kung preferred mo talaga itong mga ganitong klaseng compact scooter, then you can definitely enjoy and maximize the use of this scooter. Meron siyang passenger mode for its regular setting, at meron din siyang cargo mode para sa mga kagulong natin na maraming dalahin sa buhay. I mean, marami kang pwedeng paglagyan ng mga gamit mo hindi lang sa kanyang floorboard, kundi pati na rin sa kanyang likuran. May built-in bracket na siya for top box and side panniers. Meron na rin siyang crash guard at pwede ka pati maglagay ng gamit sa harapan if you want. Kaya naman storage wise, magugustuhan mo talaga itong si $150. It is available in 3 color variants such as flat black, pearly white, at itong gamit natin ngayon is Tyco Lake Green. So if you think that this scooter would fit for you, you could take home the Kymco $150 for only 127,800 pesos SRP. So what you guys think about this one? Less than 130,000 pesos for a compact scooter? Is it really worth it? Or maybe, this scooter isn't just really for all types of riders. Let me know your thoughts.
And would I recommend this scooter? Well, definitely yes. Not for all the riders, no. Meron lang din talaga siyang binabagayan, no. Yan, it could be our height, our style, and yun nga, sa preference talaga natin, since iba't iba naman tayo, walang makapagsabi kung ano yung dapat na motor para sa'yo. It's just up to us kung ano yung motor na magugustuhan natin. Sa presyo niya, 127,000. Sulit ba siya? It would depend kung paano natin ma-appreciate itong scooter na to. Yan, kung mahilig ka sa mga medyo futuristic and medyo unique yung design sa iba, but this is something that you could definitely consider. At kung tamang chill riding lang naman yung gusto mo talaga palagi, panigurado magugustuhan mo tong si Kymco $150. And yan, thank you so much Kymco for this opportunity na ma-road test ang inyong Kymco $150. And kahit saglit lang natin siya na ride, I've had fun na din sa scooter na to. And a big shoutout sa mga kagulong natin na mga naka Kymco $150. And don't forget to follow our Facebook page, Respeto Kagulong, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Maraming salamat muli sa Premium Gears para sa ating Air Cool Riding jersey, and to Mukem Helmets Philippines para sa suot nating moto vlogging helmet. And I guess that should be it. B-Boy LMD here at Respeto Kagulong. Just remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. Bye for now. I'll see you guys on the next one.